Welcome to the walkthrough video tour of this wonderful home now for sale. It stands so beautifully, just waiting for you to become the new family to grace the walls, inside and out with your memories. As you pass through the welcoming front door, you'll feel right at home, with spaces that are so elegant and natural light that is abundant. This home has been lovingly cared for and has large rooms, beautiful flooring, and a neutral paint palette. There's so many amazing features, and you'll enjoy all the space for storage. The family can truly gather in these rooms and enjoy everything about this home. Doing homework together, sharing the laughter of the day. This is where you and your family can truly come together and make it your sanctuary. Imagine how you would style this space, with natural light gracing and dancing around, making this such an inviting place to call home. There's plenty of windows, and it's a great place to live. A place you can relax and feel at home. A place that you want to come home to. And this one just might be it. With grand views and privacy all at once. This home has so much to offer. Imagine your family here in this space, watching the kids grow over the years. Or this could be a home in which you choose to retire, only having occasional visitors. But there's plenty of room, and the walls are welcoming for anything you have in mind. with plenty of bedrooms and bathrooms, lots of square footage, and a great floor plan. This is a great place for you and the family to call home. Inside and out, this incredible home has so much for you. You've got to call the listing agent and make an appointment and come walk through yourself. Unless your mind is already made up. And then we'll say welcome home.